C for cat.
D for dog. E for egg. F for fish. G for goat. H for hat. I for igloo. Igloo. J is for jam. K is for kite. L for lion. Lion. M for milk. N is for nest. O for octopus. P for paint. Q for queen. R for rabbit. Hop like a bunny. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for water. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra.